What happens when you build a giant slingshot powerful enough to launch cars? And trust me, things get absolutely insane. First, they had to make sure this ridiculous contraption actually worked. So they started with something much smaller. This little toy car was put on the runway and given a very simple mission: get launched. And despite looking completely harmless, it actually takes off. But now things get serious. Next up is a smart car weighing around 150 pounds. They first launch it without the giant slingshot, just to see what the car can normally do. Then they add 8 bands to the equation. And suddenly, this tiny car is moving a lot faster than it has any right to.
Cornfields. Cody, there's corn. Cody!
And if that wasn't crazy enough, they decided to try something that could actually take a beating.
Enter the Toyota Hilux. It's famous for being ridiculously tough. So naturally, they wanted to know what happens when you launch one with a giant rubber band. And suddenly, this supposedly slow truck is moving like something completely different. 1,000 horsepower, twin-turbo Lamborghini Huracan. And yes, they're actually putting it inside the Slingshot. Then comes the moment everyone's been waiting for. And launch! That acceleration is absolutely brutal. Honestly, I wouldn't want to be sitting inside that Lamborghini. Hero Craze rating, 9.5 out of 10. The idea is completely insane. The experiments keep getting bigger, and the Lamborghini launch alone makes this one seriously satisfying to watch.